Hello friends, I'm Jyoti Hekar and today I'm going to talk about the signal detection in pharmacovigilance. So let's start. Uh, Firstly, we see the definition of a signal detection. In definition, the information that arises from one or multiple sources, including the observations and experiments, which suggest a new potential causal association or a new aspects of a known association between the intervention and an event or a set related event, either the adverse or beneficial, that is judged to be a sufficient likelihood to justify the verification action. So importance let's see the importance of signal detection. In importance of signal detection, firstly, the to identify potential safety concerns, to improving a potential outcomes, then enhancing a drug development, then regulatory compliance, to reduce the healthcare costs, to increase the public confidence. These are all the importance of the signal detection. Then we go forward to the types of signals. In types of signals, firstly we see the clinical signals. In clinical signals, the indication of a potential safety with a medical product, a drug or a devices, and that are observed due to clinical research. Then the indicative of adverse drug reactions, indicative of the other safety concerns like drug interaction, contraindication, misuse, drug abuse of the product, or then identified through the analysis of adverse event data, that is aid, laboratory test, imaging, etc. The detection and evaluation, in that the statistical analysis, expert opinion, and regulatory guidance are included. Then our second type is safety signals. In safety signals, the indication of a potential safety issues with a medical product that can be identified during a clinical research, post-marketing surveillance, and etc. Then it is important to carefully monitor for the safety signals throughout the product life cycle, to ensure that the medical product are safe and effective for use of patient. Then the safety signals is an effective safety detection and management is a critical aspects of pharmacovigilance. Then we see our third one, that is the quality signals. In quality signals, the indication of a potential quality issues with the medical product that can be identified during the manufacturing, testing, etc. Then these quality signals indicative of problems with the manufacturing process, contamination, impurities, or a deviation from the established procedures. Then indicative of a problems with the product testing, inaccurate or unreliable results, detection and evaluation, and that the inspection of manufacturing facilities, product testing and analysis of aid. That are all about the quality signals. Then we go forward to the our fourth type, that is the efficacy signals. In efficacy signals, the indication of that effectiveness of a medical product in a treating a particular condition or a disease, then identified in a clinical trial, post marketing studies, and real world data analysis. Then indicative of positive treatment outcomes, that are improvement in the symptoms like progression or patient survival. Then the efficacy signals is depending on the nature and the strength of efficacy signals. It will be used to support the regulatory approval, labeling claims, or marketing strategies also. Then we go forward to our sources of signals. In sources of signals, there are the clinical trials, spontaneous reporting, actively monitoring system, then pharmacoepidemiology study, then non-clinical studies, for example animal toxicology studies, then adverse event reporting, post-marketing surveillance, literature review, that literature review it is the systematic review and meta-analysis. Then we go forward to the managing signals. In managing signals, there is a modification, initiation, label change, recall or a procedure correction, then inform, issuing and updating risk, then review appropriate document and risk assessment, then significance of a signals, impacts of a patient, strength and consistency, clinical context, public health impact, then enter the outcome that are all the managing signals. Then we go forward to the methods of signal detection. There are two methods of signal detection, that are first is data mining. In that this is the technique used for the identifying the patterns and links in a large data sets. And this second method is a quantitative signal detection. In that it is done through the disproportionality statistics. It is a different way to calculate the disproportionality reporting odds ratio, proportional reporting ratio. Then Bayesian method, it includes the empirical Bayes geometric mean and the information component. And the formula of the proportional reporting ratios are A by B upon A by C. Thank you.